Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring the spa experience right into your home, the VEVOR Steam Shower Generator. We discovered this steam bath kit and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the VEVOR Steam Shower Generator? This powerful 12 kilowatt steam generator is designed to transform your standard shower into a luxurious steam bath. It's packed with features that make it not just a functional addition to your home, but also a ticket to a more relaxing lifestyle. Let's start with some of the highlights. One of the standout features of this steam generator is its multifunctional capabilities. It offers an automatic drainage system, which means you won't have to worry about cleaning up after yourself. You can also customize the temperature to your liking, ranging from 77 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control is great for personalizing your steam experience, whether you prefer a gentle warm mist or a more intense steam session. Another great feature is the 24-hour customizable operation. This is perfect for busy individuals who want to schedule their steam sessions around their day. Just set the timer, and the system will take care of the rest. Plus, it comes with smart touch controls that make operation incredibly user-friendly. Safety and durability are always top priorities, especially when it comes to home installations. The VEVOR Steam Shower Generator is built with multiple safety features, including protections against overheating, water shortage, and overpressure. The stainless steel tank is equipped with an integrated magnesium rod, ensuring that you enjoy clean steam output while also enhancing energy efficiency. This design not only prolongs the machine's lifespan but also provides you with a worry-free experience. Performance-wise, this steam bath generator truly shines. It features UL-certified 316 heating elements, which are designed for higher and more reliable heat transfer efficiency. What's even more impressive is the automatic segmented heating technology, allowing you to enjoy invigorating steam in just 5 minutes. That means you can go from a regular shower to a spa-like retreat in no time. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys relaxation after a long day, or if you frequently deal with muscle tension, the steam generator can be a fantastic addition to your home. It's also great for individuals who may suffer from respiratory issues, as steam can help clear your airways and improve overall breathing. Practical use cases for the VEVOR Steam Shower Generator are abundant. Imagine coming home after a stressful day at work, and instead of a regular shower, you treat yourself to a soothing steam bath. Or perhaps you want to create a relaxing environment for a self-care Sunday. You can even use it in conjunction with your skincare routine to open up your pores for a deeper cleanse. Installation is another area where the VEVOR Steam Shower Generator excels. Designed specifically for private residences, it eliminates the need for complex setups. Following the straightforward instructions, you can easily connect it to your water source and power, making it accessible for most homeowners. In conclusion, if you're looking for an efficient, reliable, and luxurious way to enhance your home bathing experience, the VEVOR Steam Shower Generator is definitely worth considering. With its impressive features and safety measures, it can transform your ordinary shower into a personal spa retreat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.